chopping our fresh ingredients. All right. So I'm gonna start off with my fresh German thyme. Chop it up real nice and proper. Have some fine mince. We're just gonna push that aside. And we're gonna chop our shallot. And all these fresh ingredients, we're gonna combine everything with the rice, the shrimp, and all that good stuff. Chop your green onion. This is 2 stalks of green onion. We're gonna do the same thing with our tomato. Some nice rough chops. Alright guys, so we're just gonna combine all 4 ingredients right here with our garlic. This is our fresh garlic right here, 2 cloves of garlic. Nothing like some fresh, seasoning. It's gonna turn up our shrimp and rice pot a notch. Yeah, man. So we're gonna set this aside and start seasoning our shrimp. So right here, guys, I have half pound of shrimp. It's already peeled, deveined, and all that good stuff. I have some Cajun seasoning and some Cajun seasoning right here. So now you just want to combine these 2 ingredients, these 2 seasoning, mix it up a little bit. Once it's fully combined, then we're just going to season our shrimp. We're just going to pour the entire thing. This is about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. You're probably wondering, oh, isn't that like too much seasoning? But no, it's not, because all, these 2 seasonings going to be, combined with the rice, and everything's going to be, nicely infused together. Go ahead and add your butter. After the butter is fully melted, then you want to add your shrimp. Then you want to stir it up. Give it a nice little stir. Alright guys, so you want to make sure your stove is turned to high heat. And once you add all the ingredients with the rice and it comes to a boil, then you want to reduce it, gradually to medium and then to low heat. Alright, it's looking good. So now we're going to add our fresh, seasoning. Our garlic, onion, thyme, and tomato. Continue to stir it up a little bit. It's looking so good. Looking good, smelling good. Now we're going to add our rice. Stir it up. Just continue to stir. And the rice is going to soak up all that lovely flavor, from the Cajun seasoning, the Cajun seasoning, and all the natural herbs and spices. Now at this point, we're going to add our chicken stock. All right. I have some freshly made chicken stock. This is about 3 cups of chicken stock. And like I said, guys, once it comes to a boil, we're just gonna reduce the heat. All right. And if you need to add a little bit more water, you can as well. So just let it come to a boil, close the lid, and then we're good to go. And don't forget to add your salt, guys. This is about a teaspoon of salt. Stir it up. And once again, just go ahead and close your lid. Yes, guys, so this is our one pot shrimp and rice, Cajun recipe. This is the finished product. This is what it's looking like. I'm just going to do a quick taste test and let you know how it is. This is good, guys. Very good. Some nice fresh squeezed lime juice on top of it. Oh yeah. Wow. It's so good, guys. Mm. Mm. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.